Okay, so I just replaced cracked shifter knob on a 2015 Volvo XC70. So this is a very common problem. These tops of the glass on the shifter knob cracks, just like this one. So here is the used one already installed. So it's fairly simple. So what I did, I didn't have to really remove the center console. So all I do is remove that panel on the side of the console, and then I unplug the shifter light. Is just right there. Let's see. Yeah, the shifter light is right there, somewhere there. So it's hard to see now, but I unplugged it, and then before I removed it, I installed the string to the cable, just right here. So I installed the string right here, and then pulled everything up. So I removed the knob, and to remove the knob, all you have to do really is twist this part here under the shifter knob, and then when you twist it, the best when you do it in neutral, because you got more it's easier. So then you just twist this, pull it down, and then you pull the shifter knob up. So this is easy. And then if you connected the string, you will have it out here. So then all I did is I hooked it there, and then put some tape, electrical tape, and then I pulled it back down. And right now I'm just gonna plug it in there, and that's it, all done. So I didn't have to remove anything, and the shifter knob is already replaced. Took a few minutes, very easy. I didn't want to remove the whole console and play with that, so it doesn't have to be done. So yeah, I hope that helps, and it will make your shifter look much better. So I bought a used one on eBay, the whole shifter. So I'm gonna use the knob. So here it is. Yeah, versus the cracked one that looked like that. Yeah.